Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking the device IP so port rules never drift. Set a static address or create a DHCP reservation in the router. Next, identify the exact port number and protocol the service requires and write down the device's local IP. Once done, pause any host firewall or security software briefly so initial tests aren't blocked. Doing these early avoids wasted effort later, because NAT translations rely on consistent internal addresses and clear protocol expectations. You now enter the router's port forwarding or virtual server page and add the rule. External port mapped to the device's internal IP and port, selecting the correct protocol. If you see two layers of NAT, your modem and router, either set the modem to bridge mode or forward through both devices. Also, disable UPnP while testing to avoid rule conflicts, and then save the config and reboot the router so the new NAT mappings activate cleanly and persist across sessions. You test from outside the network using an online port checker or a remote device. A successful connection means your forward works. If it fails, verify the router log and the device's firewall to ensure nothing is intercepting traffic, and confirm your ISP does not block that port. Sometimes a call is necessary. Once verified, re-enable host firewalls and UPnP policies you previously changed. Tip if stuck. Try temporarily placing the device in the router's DMZ to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.